Today I have these 2 glass vase from Dollar Tree. I also have these 2 candle holders that I purchased at the secondhand store for 50 cents. They sell this at Dollar Tree. You can also get them there for $1.25. And these jewelry stickers from Dollar Tree. The colors that I'll be using pink, light pink, and white chalk paint. And I'll start by creating stripes inside the vase. Without letting the white lines connect, only because I'm going to be filling in those gaps with the color pink. I'll put this to the side and I'll do the same thing to this other vase, but on this one I'm going to use the darker pink. And for those that don't know my little girl, her name is Diva, and as you can see, she's always inspecting all my DIYs. So now I'm coming in with the jewelry and I am going to start sticking it around the neck of the vase. And this is how it's looking so far. I am loving it. It has a high-end look. Now I have the candle holders that I showed you. I'm going to be painting them with this Rust-Oleum white paint. Once that it is completely dry, I'll take the jewelry stickers and I'm going to put it around the candle holder. So I'm going to take some hot glue and glue these 2 pieces together. You could use E6000 for a permanent hold. And this is the way that it's coming together. But don't go away because I will show you the final review at the end of the video. Over the summer, I purchased these pieces of wood from Dollar Tree. I also have these wood beads and I'm going to make a garland. Off camera, I took my drill and I made some holes. Like that, I can take this jute twine and start threading them. This is going to be a beautiful Easter garland. So if you have created garlands, you know there's nothing to it. This one has a farm look to it. I'm loving it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start preparing the little bunny and then I'll start working on the tassel. I'm gonna use this pink color, but at the end of the video you'll see that I switched it to a khaki color, and I added a little bunny on top of the big bunny. And as you saw, it was nice and simple and easy making this tassel. I'll show you the final review in a few minutes. With this burlap ribbon, I'm going to be wrapping the entire hula hoop. Once done, I picked these beautiful flowers and I'll start putting them with some tiger ties here in the bottom. You'll see. It's going to turn out absolutely gorgeous. I think this is my favorite DIY. I'm putting the flowers wherever I think it looks nice. Now, when I come in with the tiger tie, I don't put it tight, only because I'm going to be adding more flowers and I want to make sure that I have enough space. Once I'm done with putting all the flowers, then I'll just tighten the tiger tie and cut the excess out. So now I'm gonna come in with these ribbons. I have 3 different ribbons. I'm cutting 9 pieces and I'm gonna be making a messy bow. Stay tuned for the final reveal. And again, I wanna thank you for clicking into my channel. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would love for you to go into the comment section and introduce yourself and let me know from what part of the world you are watching me. Please consider subscribing as my channel continues to grow with your participation. I truly do appreciate every single one of you, and I hope you have enjoyed all of these projects. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite, and if I have inspired you in some type of way, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share it with your families and friends. And now it's time to form this bow by tying it, cutting the tails, and making it look beautiful by tying it on the reef. I hope you enjoy it.